What is draping? Well, draping for fashion design is the process of positioning and pinning fabric onto a dress form to develop the structure of a garment design. After draping, the fabric is removed from the dress form and used to create the pattern for the garment. Now, that is the technical definition of draping. But I personally think that draping is a lot more than that. See, when you're draping, you are like a sculptor. You are like an artist. You are creating a new design. You can use draping as a source of inspiration. For example, go to your local fabric store, buy 2 yards of fabric that you really like. Take it home and use draping as a tool, as a technique to create new designs. Draping can be fun, and it should be fun. It should be playful and inspiring. Something like this. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.